So now I'm gonna install stopper. This one, use a nail. Let's leave this spike. So I'll leave this spike, alright, for the ice anchor, for use anchor at ice. So I'm gonna do shrink wrap. I bought some electric shrink wrap, and I'm gonna cover up this screw thread because this one can cut the fishing line. So just make sure use heat gun shrink wrap. Like this. And then let's put some cushion over here. Give some cushion. Like that. So was shrink wrapped. Blue, yellow, and black. So it's okay. How about that? Alright. Now let's install yo-yo fishing lure. Alright. So position is wobble. So like that. Position. Your position like this. This is yo-yo fishing lure installation, right? Like this. So I'm gonna make anchor hole to here. So let's see. So you can put the anchor on the ice for secure this basic flag base. All right, something like this. Made the anchor hole. I have a bamboo stick, so I'm gonna use this one as a fishing holder. I'm gonna install here. You can use a PVC pipe, but I just wanna use a natural stuff, which I have now. Alright, so let's Nice looking. Nice. Let's go in like this. Alright. Use a file and make a little more bigger hole. I filed and make a smooth surface in the inside hole. Let's see. I have a ice fishing rod from Walmart. This one. Yeah, you can hold it, no problem. Alright, I have lucky. I'm lucky one. 1.5 inch. So I'm gonna make a 45-degree hole. We use a hole saw to install this bamboo fishing holder. Maybe fishing rod angle this way, not straight down. I wanna need it away. Okay, nice cut. Alright, almost to fit exact. Just we file a little more. That's it. That's it. To install this one, I want to use a hot glue, but it's alright. I have this silicone nail. So let's install. So I'm gonna secure this bamboo fishing holder, screw it down over here. Alright. That's good. Perfect. Secure enough. Alright. So now let's install triangle leg. Alright, with hinges. I'm gonna put the triangle leg over here. like this. Alright, like this. So triangle, there are 8-inch hole, 6-inch hole over here. Can you imagine? Alright, so like this. This is so beautiful. Like this.